The police high command says they have launched a high-level probe into the alleged abuse by the police of two American citizens. The two brothers say the abuse by the lawmen was unprovoked and that it happened at one of the Zoso checkpoints in Augustown on Sunday. Kirk Wright reports.
Tevin Rodney says he was on his way home to Goldsmith Villa where he was staying when police stopped the vehicle and claimed he was in breach of the curfew orders. Mr. Rodney says he pointed to the police that it was not yet curfew time and that they responded by saying he was intoxicated and he would be charged for breach of the curfew orders.
They put me in the Jeep. I'm going to this police station, a place called Scotland in Goldsmith Villa. They started to push me up in the back of the Jeep, thumping me up for no reason. Carry me down, I'm already handcuffed and detained. Carry me down to the station now. I was there speaking what happened, trying to justify for myself. They don't want to hear me.
He says in trying to speak up, he was pepper sprayed while being handcuffed.
Even if I was intoxicated and I was drunk, I had handcuffs on. Why would you assault someone that is intoxicated, that doesn't know anything that he's doing there?
Mr. Rodney says at that time he got rowdy and his brother Dwayne Cuff, who turned up at the station trying to calm him down, was also set upon and abused by the police.
He just started tearing my shirt, drip me up, slap me on my chest, beat me up, pull on from my ear, fling me into the station, fling me through the station door, because the station door wasn't even open. Fling me through the station door. Me, like, I'm trying to keep myself up. And like I'm seeing like they were trying to go after him. He's already handcuffed. How can you do someone that they can't even defend themselves?
He says they both spent the night at the station and were told they had to sign a document before they could be released the following morning.
And it said that, if my memory serves me correctly, I wouldn't say prisoners, they use another name, detainees. I believe the detainees came in good condition and they left in good condition.
Both brothers were charged, Tevin for using abusive language and breaching the curfew orders, the other for breaching curfew orders and obstructing the police in their duties. The question is, why was Tevin the only one from a car of 3 persons charged with breaching the curfew orders? Kirk Wright, TVJ News.